In this video, I'm going to show you how to use callouts to ease documentation on your 4 series, 5 series, or 6 series mixed signal oscilloscope. To create a new callout, tap the callout button in the top right, and then double tap the green text that showed up in the middle. The 4 types of callouts are notes, arrows, rectangles, and bookmarks. Let's type in some sample text here. And with a note, you can format the font, the size, the color, and the styling. By clicking and dragging, we can place this anywhere on the screen. The second type of callout is an arrow. With an arrow, we now have a leader that's attached to our text box. We can now point at what we're talking about. The third type of callout is a rectangle. Similar to the arrow, a rectangle is now attached to our text box. We can place this rectangle anywhere that we need to on the screen, and we can resize it as well. The fourth and final type of callout is a bookmark. A bookmark reads out what the value is for our measurement at any time relative to our trigger position. We can reposition the readout either using one of the multi-purpose knobs or simply clicking and dragging the target. These 4 different styles of callouts are available on all of the 4, 5, and 6 series mixed signal oscilloscopes with the latest version of firmware. Go to tech.com to download and install now.